Hi friends, in this video I would be showing medium size plastic gear. I will also tell you how we can purchase this product. See, this is the product. Let me test this gear. For testing I will be using this motor. Let me turn on the motor. I will tag this product. You can purchase that product from the tag. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.